My name is Mark Macalinao. I'm taking the Culinary Arts program here in MITT. Always wanted to be a chef when I was young because I love to cook, especially like, for my family or my friends. When I see people smile and enjoy the food I cook, I too like smile, and that gave me a lot of motivation. At the beginning, we get our stations ready. We get our cutting boards, our knife, and then we just like wait for our instructors' instructions. They'll demo something to us, and then it's either we read from the book or repeat what they show. I'm enjoying learning lots of new things, getting to know different techniques. I never really knew how to like fillet a fish or debone a chicken, and it was really nice to do each of these things. So if someone asks me to do these things, I know how to do it. Hopefully I'm working either as a full-time chef or own my own restaurant, but time will only tell.